everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. Thank you so much for being here today. This is Anandita. Thank you so much for the wonderful messages and emails that some of you have been sending my way. And thank you for letting me know that the readings are resonating with you. And I'm back here with another general pick a card reading for you. This is to let you know what does February 2021 have in store for you. And I've made 3 piles here. This is pile number 1, the Art of Tarot deck with the green jade crystal on top. This is pile number 2, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck with the amethyst crystal on top. And this is pile number 3, the Rider Waite Tarot deck with the clear quartz crystal on top. Please take your time and choose your pile. And the more you try and connect to these piles, the more accurate the reading gets for you. You could think about what's going on in your life and then think about your, then choose your pile. And please remember that these are general readings, so they may or may not resonate with your situation completely. And so just take whatever resonates with your situation and leave the rest. I've mentioned the timestamps in the description below. I'll see you at your pile. Let's see what is in store for people who've chosen pile number 1, the Art of Tarot deck. What's coming to you in February 2021? All right, people who've chosen pile number 1, February 2021 is definitely giving you a lot of satisfaction and contentment in terms of your relationships, in terms of your personal life. And definitely there is this new phase of love that's going to be blooming, and you and your person are definitely going to have a wonderful time. Also, it's the month, it's going to be Valentine's Day. So yes, it's definitely a month of love oozing out. And also on the health front, I see you doing pretty well, people who've chosen pile number 1. And overall, this is a month which is taking you towards a positive phase in your life. It's, the universe is slowly just taking you towards positivity. And that your whole image, your whole aura is going to be really you're going to be in that mode of attracting people. People are going to be attracted by you. People are going to be recognizing your efforts. That recognition, especially on the career front, people who've chosen pile number 1, in terms of career, you will be recognized. Your efforts will be recognized, that you've really put in hard work. So if you've been waiting for that kind of recognition, this is the month for you. Your financial anything on the financial front, if it was stuck, or if there was something on your mind regarding your finances, this is the time things are just going to get sorted out. Women who've chosen pile number 1 and are either concerned about their finances or your financial situation, you're sorted. This month is really making you very independent, and it's just keeping you in your place wherever you need to be. And if you've thought of this, if you've chosen this pile for women who want to work, who especially pick pile number 1 for work related, career related moves, or whether you will be independent in your career, this month is definitely bringing you that. People who've chosen pile number 1, also in terms of expectations, people who've chosen pile number 1, it's just a time wherein things are getting sorted out. Don't expect the moon, or don't just think, okay, this is the month, 100% everything is going on. But yes, to quite a 75 to 80% extent, things are just working in your favor. Things are just coming to you. Please listen to your intuition, listen to your gut feeling. Your gut feeling is very strong at this point in time, people who've chosen pile number 1. And like I said, your relationships, this is the month for your relationships to really work, and for things to just start moving towards the positive. Maybe there was some kind of a burden, there was some kind of a thing, like I said in the beginning, it was stuck, or you had a lot of things on your plate. You really wanted to establish a lot of things, but it wasn't moving ahead. Things were stuck for you. You were burdened with responsibility. It's there was a lot of stress that was coming from wherever. So those kind of things are definitely fading away. The road might still look little blur. You still might know right now, you know, might not know, oh, where am I headed or how is it going to happen, but slowly, steadily, things will just start unfolding for people who've chosen pile number one. And February 2021 overall is definitely bringing you a lot of, happiness, contentment. Your expectations, your worries are getting, sorted out. And that spirit of working hard, that spirit of achieving is definitely, getting things done for you. Overall balance is going to be coming in your life very soon. It's a wonderful period, it's a wonderful month for balancing out your life, for getting spirituality also, practicality also, having everything, the best of all the combinations in one, you know in one uh, package, like you can say. And also a lot of peace, a lot of harmony is coming in this month for people who've chosen pile number one. Harmony at work, harmony in relationships, harmony in family life, and worries are getting sorted out. And your finances, your career, it's all working out well for you, people who've chosen pile number one. So all in all, this is a wonderful month which is coming. And like I said, Valentine's Day is the icing on the cake. So for all you beautiful people who are in relationships, this is a wonderful time to you. I'll be coming back with another relationship reading for Valentine's Day, but just this is a general reading, and the cards are definitely suggesting that relationships are here to bloom within this month. And let's see what the mystical wisdom cards are saying. They just relax. There's no need to get into arguments or battles or anything, for slow, for just, just petty issues, petty things. If they're not working out, just relax and nurture your relationships. That's what the cards are saying. And that it is this, this is the month to improve bonds, to build new bonds, and to, unite with loved ones, and just have a wonderful, just nurture your relationship. Enjoy this month, enjoy, you know uh, reaching out for your loved ones. And like I said, it's a general reading for all. So February 2021 for people who've chosen pile number one is definitely going to be a nice, smooth, balanced out month. And also, like I said, just don't engage in any kind of petty, trivial fights or arguments or anything. If that's coming your way, just avoid, just ignore. And also, you need to seek clarity. You need to first know the situation before jumping into anything. People who've chosen this pile, so just, even though the cards are assuring that it's a beautiful month for you and things are planned, it's important for you to, seek clarity first, do all your homework, and then follow, get into anything that's on your mind. So I hope the reading was resonant with people who chose pile number one. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much once again, and I'll be coming back with more such readings for you. Take care and stay safe. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen the pile number two, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck. What does February 2021 bring for you? How's it going to be for you? People who've chosen pile number two for February 2021, how's it going to be for you? So you might be coming from a your relationships. On the relationship front, I see that you are able to sort out things. You might have been having issues with your person in the past, or at this point in time, you might be having some kind of a stress situation on the general front or your relationships front, which is definitely getting sorted out. And balance in relationships, harmony in relationships is definitely there in this month. And on the health front, I see your health being balanced. I see I mean, I don't really see any issues on the health front. You're sorted on that. And also, if there is something which is small it's a very trivial thing. You don't really need to worry about it. People who've chosen pile number 2 and are concerned about their finances, yes, you definitely need to have a win-win attitude. You need to have a victorious attitude. You can't let everybody know of your financial situation, or for that matter, you need to be cautious of who you are actually depending on. And this definitely goes hand in hand with your career too. People who've chosen this pile and are concerned about your career, this is the time. File number 2, this is the time. February is the time that you're going to be acing your work. You're going to be doing really well on your career front, on your work front, your job. Everything is sorted out. Just take care of your finances. Maybe you might just overspend, you might just splurge. Valentine's Day is around the corner. You might be buying gifts for your loved ones. So you need to just make sure that you have a plan and you don't just overspend. I see unexpected gains, unexpected fortunes coming your way. People who've chosen pile number 2, I see you being happy. Just don't overburden yourself because of thinking, or just don't take too much on your plate. Even if at your work front, just don't load yourself with work just because you want to do well. It's important for you to create a balance and harmony, and balance your love life, your family life, your work. All that is required, but all in all, it's definitely giving you small successes. People who've chosen pile number 2, February is definitely giving you a time to feel happy, feel victorious, and have that feeling of achieving success. And I see things being under your control, and it's just going to start taking place. This month is just going to set in with all this, giving you small time rewards. It might just start happening in the next 4 days, 8 days for a lot of you, and within the next 18 days, definitely you will see how positive, how constructive your month is going, and it's rewarding you. And rest, just leave it to destiny. It's planned for you. You just need to work hard, put in the efforts. People who've chosen this pile, just put in your efforts and see that you will be rewarded with the efforts of your labor. And stay away from negative people, please. The cards are definitely warning. They are just cautioning you that you need to stay away from people who are trying to pull you down, or who might not be wanting you to really succeed, or are jealous of you. Because there are people, especially people who have chosen pile number 2, and you're doing well in your financial on your financial front. You need to remember, like I said in the beginning also, there are a lot of people eyeing you. There are people who are not wanting you to really grow financially. You need to stop showing them, stop telling them about your finances. You might have to keep a low profile, just keep a low key profile. People who've chosen pile number 2, especially if you feel that your financial status is a little bit, it's showing off, or it's coming into the eyes of others. It needs to just be kept low key. The cards are warning you. Also, people who've chosen pile number 1, your relationships, I'm again making it clear, there might be a stressful time going on, or it's coming from the past few days, past few weeks. You and your person are here to just reunite. The patch up is on the cards. Just put in your efforts to patch up with your person. The universe will help you. It's going to push you towards your person, push you towards getting things better between you both. 24 days. Within this time, I see new beginnings, new hopes, new opportunities coming your way. People who've chosen pile number 2, and the era of stress is definitely vanishing within this month. Completion, a full amalgamation of family bondings, relationships growing, building, blooming, love entering your life, your finances being taken care of, your health being just sorted out. That's I mean, it's a wonderful package. It's a combination of uh, all the positive things that's coming in your life. People who've chosen pile number 2, so just keep putting your efforts. Just try and set a small little routine for yourself, or just make some timetables. Like I said, just don't don't work extra. Don't overwork yourself. Don't push yourself so much that it just spoils everything for you. The universe has a plan. Just believe in the universe, and please, it's the cards are definitely requesting you to you need to be spiritual also. You're getting the best of everything. The universe is planning you for everything for you, so it's important for you to give it back to nature. to, thank the universe, to be in an attitude of gratitude. So just take out some time to introspect, to, thank the universe, thank the almighty, and just have that spiritual connection. It could be any way that you think it is best for you, but it's very important, people who've chosen pile number 2, to be practical as well as just balance a good spiritual life. Bring love into the situation, people who've chosen pile number 2. That's what the Moonology cards are suggesting, and it's definitely saying the same thing, that whatever stress, whatever issues that are there in your life, especially on the relationship front, you just need to bring love in the situation and things will work. Put in your efforts, don't stop moving, putting in efforts. A win-win forecast is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 2, and that's what the Mystic Monday tarot cards have also clearly suggested, that it is a time of success, it is a time of victory for people who've chosen pile number 2. So I hope that February definitely brings you a lot of love, success, victory, and a wonderful, and goes as a wonderful month for you, people who've chosen pile number 2. And I hope the reading was resonant with you. Thank you so much for coming in and tuning into my channel. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. And thank you so much once again. Keep sending me requests for doing general readings. I'll be happy to do so. Take care and stay safe. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 3, the Rider-Waite Tarot deck. What does February 2021 have in store for you? People who've chosen pile number 2, pile number 3, I'm sorry, are, and it's very clear from the cards that you are facing a little bit of a rough patch or a stagnant phase or a dull phase when it comes to your relationships, your love life, anything on those lines. So it's going to take a while, maybe towards the end of the month, but you and your person are definitely here to stay, and you're both going to be together. This month will patch up things between you both. That this month will make it clear, the commitment or whatever is being tested at this point in time, it's definitely going to reward you. Health, wealth, work, finances, they're all going strong for people who've chosen pile number 3. And this month is definitely a month of rewarding. It's a month of, getting blessings. You ask the universe, you pray to the almighty, and here it is. That's the way this going to be for people who've chosen pile number 3. Whether it's in terms of finances, I mean, you name it and it's there for you, people who've chosen this pile. Partnerships are here to bloom, whether it's relationships, whether it's work, whether you're starting a new venture, anything on those lines, anything which is combining two people, two or more people, you're coming together for any task. It's definitely rewarding you. It's definitely here. This is the month for people who've chosen pile number 3. Just have that attitude of achieving, just have that spirit in you to achieve it, and it's there for you. And also, you might be facing some kind of people who've chosen pile number 3. If there are issues between you and your person, or if you've been in a confrontation at work, if you had arguments, issues with people around you, it's just vanishing now, and a new phase is starting in your life. This month is definitely bringing you a new ray of hope, and is balancing out things for you. And people who've chosen this pile, please stay away from negative people, negative situations. If, again, I'm repeating, if you've been around people who've not really been uh, supportive of you, or have just been pulling you down, or have been jealous of you, it's better to just avoid such people rather than please them, or try and get just try and sort out things with them. It's just no need, and just let them be. And let if there if you feel that there's dullness coming from that, if there's stagnancy on that point, just let that door close. New doors will open for you. Again, I'm repeating, new opportunities, new everything. This is a month which is bringing a new ray of hope for you. So just be hopeful and have that attitude of achieving. And you don't need to look for other people. You don't need to really please people, or really, sort out things with people who are not even wanting to see you grow. So it's important for people who've chosen pile number 3 to just let go of the past. If you feel that the relationship has not really given you anything, it's actually just making you depressed, it's just taking everything away from you, it's rather better to find a new relationship, or just wait for the universe to give you a new relationship, rather than just hurting yourself all the time. So this is actually a month to make choices. It's actually a month to uh, you know uh, be hopeful, to just let in the new uh, you know new people, or the new relationship, or the new job. Just let the new part enter your life, rather than just wasting your time and trying to persuade people who really don't care. So that's a choice that you need to make for yourself. People who've chosen pile number 3, I see there's a lot of stress that's gone by, there are a lot of emotions, there's a lot of control that you had to have. You worked hard, but your results haven't been coming out. So this entire phase is just vanishing in this month. Within the next 18 days, you would have made your choices, you would have sorted out things for you. And again, these are general readings, so you can just pick up whatever is fitting in your situation. For a lot of you, the relationship is getting sorted out and things are working ahead for you and your person, and I see the bond getting stronger. But for a lot of you, you might just mutually decide that no, it's just pulling me down, and I want to explore, I want this new phase to enter my life. So it's totally fine. And yes, this is a card of new beginnings, this is a card to grow. It's here, everything, like I said, you ask for it, and there it is. The universe is here to give it to you. So just pray to the almighty. Just it's like the universe has just come, is here to fulfill all that you want. So just let everything be decided by the almighty, let everything be decided by the universe. You just put in your efforts in whatever you want to, and things will work out for you, either in this way or the other way. But it's not going to be it's nothing is going to happen to you, or the universe won't let you fail on any front. So if it was not meant to be, the universe will make it happen, that things will just work out in another, in your favor, in another situation, and it will help you to either get out of the relationship, or the job, or the any front. I mean, or the argument, whatever it is, it's all planned for you. You just need to have faith. You will triumph over all the stumbling blocks and obstacles that are coming your way. So that's the miracle cards that are again confirming everything what the Rider Waite has said. Your ambitions will drive you forward and generate a lot of strength in you. So like I said, just keep that attitude of achievement, an attitude of strength, of winning. Keep your ambitions alive, have that ambitious attitude, and see how you will just just see how things are working for you. And also, this is a powerful time wherein the universe fulfills wishes and desires. So it ushers a lot of faith and confidence in your life. You will be gifted by the power to heal yourself. So again, this is what the cards have said, that either things work out for you in your favor, and if it doesn't happen, if there's a new new opportunity coming your way, the universe will give you the strength and the power to heal yourself to get out of that situation. So it's so wonderful that both the cards are definitely coming together and are showing you the right path. Stay away from people who gossips about others or you, or speak ill about the others. So that's what the Rider Waite cards also said. Please stay away from negative people. There is no need to sit and persuade them. They will not help you. They are just here to pull you down. So there is just no need to stay. You need to be very clear of the kind of people who you are around with. People who've chosen this particular pile, pursue your dreams positively and have positive affirmations to see them fulfilled. So everything is getting fulfilled for you. People who've chosen pile number 3, things are just going to go in your favor. Sit back, relax, plan your life, plan what you really want. Remove this whole burdened situation, or a situation which is just negative, and see what this month really has to offer for you. So I wish you all the best, people who've chosen pile number 3, and I hope the reading was resonant with you. Please leave in your comments and feedback in the comments section. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much once again for tuning into my channel. And you could send me messages, or for doing general readings. I'll be happy to do so. And thank you so much once again. Take care and stay safe.